Thorium is a complicated web app built with web technologies, so there are a lot of things that you are required to know before you would be able to contribute to Thorium's development. This video will explain all the things you need to know along with some resources you can use to learn them better. At the most basic level, you'll need to have a solid understanding of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and the relationship between the three. Thorium is built with the latest CSS and JavaScript techniques, so make sure you are up to date on CSS3, Sass, and ES6. MDM, the Mozilla Developer Network, has great documentation about learning web development. Another great resource is the Web Dev Guild. The Web Dev Guild website has loads of links to different things you can use to learn these tools, as well as exercises which you can practice on. Git is required to work on Thorium. Thorium's code is distributed and managed using Git and GitHub, so you should feel comfortable with concepts like repositories, branches, forks, commits, pull requests, merging, etc. Make sure you sign up for a GitHub account so that you can access and modify Thorium's code. Thorium's front end is built with a framework called React, so you should familiarize yourself with the purpose of React, how it is written and run, and concepts like JSX, state management, hooks, and lifecycle methods. There's a great beginner video tutorial on egghead.io that can get you up to speed. Thorium's backend uses Node.js, which is a server framework built with JavaScript. So if you know JavaScript, you'll pick up Node pretty quickly. It also uses GraphQL, a domain language for transmitting data from the server to the client. Make sure you understand how to write a GraphQL query if you plan on working on the front end, and a GraphQL schema if you plan on working on the back end. HowToGraphQL.com is a great resource for learning about GraphQL on both the front end and back end. Make sure you study using GraphQL Node for the back end and React and Apollo for the front end. There are a lot of other things that you'll probably pick up on your developer journey, including package managers, how to debug, and how to solve complicated problems. This developer roadmap can give you an idea of some additional things which you can learn on your developer journey. If you are a beginner and don't have a lot of experience, and all of this seems daunting, don't worry too much. Just take your learning one step at a time, stay curious, build little projects to build your skills. You'll learn it all eventually. Be sure to check the description underneath this video for resources that you can use to learn these things, and we'll see you in the next video.